I'm not the only one that has had this dilemma where we set a path and in our GPS. I'm gonna use Google Maps and I'm gonna say I want to go to Atlanta, Georgia, and we hit directions. It's 4 hours and 49 minutes away. We hit start. And by the way, there was a little spoiler there at the bottom I'll get back to. So it's 4 hours and 49 minutes, and I start down the road, and then I realize, wait a minute, I need to stop and get coffee. Well, you know what? Used to be that we'd pay attention to the road signs, or we'd get our wife or our partner to look up on their phone to find a coffee shop or a gas station or a restaurant, whatever, and then they would tell us how to deviate. Well, it's easier than that now. And I'm going to show you how to do it in Google Maps. But before I do me a favor, do yourself a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button if you like what I'm sharing here. If you have any questions, comment and ask me any questions. So how do we do it now? Well, Google Maps, Apple's done the same thing. Now they allow us to click down here where it says 4 hours and 49. Google says search along the route. I can say search for a coffee shop. And even better than that, while it's searching, I can say open now, near me, or halfway. Well, I'll wait a couple hours to get my good coffee. Halfway, I got a Starbucks that's a 5-minute detour. Summer's 16, third place is 14. Dogwood Cafe, 5 minutes away. You know what? Got 4.9 stars. Let's add that stop. Click on add that stop right there. And now it's rerouting me. 2 hours and 25 minutes, which is about halfway. It'll take me to the coffee shop. I'll get my coffee, get back in the car, get back on the same Google map, and keep going to Atlanta. You know what? Way easier than the old way of doing it. Hey, I'm Teddy. My goal is to help you overcome the risks and the fears of using technology, and hope this little trick is useful for you.